Yarana! O nani hito uiwa.
O moi na uto uiwa.
O mahiti to iwa.
O Steve to Oi'oa.
Welcome to the 5th edition of the Reo Teiti Challenge.
Join us and let's speak Tahitian as a community.
This year, we are bringing to you a special Reo Teiti Challenge.
We will be posting one video a day for the entire month of February.
So that's 28 days starting from February 1st to February 28th. 28 days of the Reo Teiti Challenge.
So what do you need to do? First, you need to post on your Instagram feed or in our private Facebook group at Reo Teiti for Beginners.
Second, you need to tag us at Polylingual Reo Tahiti. Hashtag Reo Tahiti Challenge. The point is for you to post every day following the timetable available on our website and on our social media accounts.
And guess what? If you complete the Reo Teiti Challenge, you will get a chance to win amazing prizes.
In order to qualify for these amazing prizes, you must follow the rules set forth, and anybody that successfully completes the Reo Tahiti Challenge will be able to enter into the drawing that will be held on March 4th. So stay tuned.
If you want to learn more about the Reo Teiti Challenge, the link is below or in the bio section.
Wainene oto, are you guys ready? Ahap iyan etato ite Reo Teiti. Let's learn Tahitian together.
Wale matato!